All right, so I wanted to show you how to do this in GoFormative. So I did number one in the notes today. So the answer to number one was y equals 2x minus 1. And then you get a little green dot. Yay! Then for number two, so number two has a negative fraction slope. So how you do this is you do y equals. You have a couple of options here, and I put in all the options. You can type the negative now, so you could put negative and then do the fraction, or you could put the negative with the 3, or you could put the negative with the 5. I don't care where you put the negative. The negative just needs to go, you need one negative. So I'm going to put the negative right there. And then I have to put the 3/5. So I go over to my handy little keyboard here, the fraction, and it's 3/5. Now I'm in the bottom of the fraction. So to get out of the bottom of the fraction, you're going to press the right arrow key. Oh, and of course I pressed a 0 too. Right arrow key. And now I'm out of the fraction and I can continue to type out the rest of my equation. So it's negative 3/5 x plus 4. And then it should be green. But again, you can put this negative sign, like if I put the negative up top with the 3, if you look over here, I still get a green. If I put that negative sign in the bottom with the 5, I still get a green dot. So main thing, just remember when you're in the denominator in your bottom of your fraction, to get out of the bottom of the fraction, you have to press to the right, or it's just going to keep typing everything in the bottom of your fraction. So I hope that helps a little bit. Definitely just be careful when you're typing in your fractions for your slopes. And like I said, I'll be keeping an eye on you guys today. If there's any issues, make sure you send me a message. Have fun.